Today we will start with the introduction of operating system. An operating system is an interface between a computer user and computer hardware. An operating system is a software which performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk drives and printers. Some popular operating system includes Linux operating system, Windows operating systems, and also there are several other types of operating systems. Now we will learn a formal definition of operating system. An operating system is a program that acts as interface between the user and the computer hardware and controls the execution of all kind of programs. Now in an operating system there are several users. It is not a single user operating system. Various types of users are present, and all the users they give instructions, and the operating system works on those instructions. Actually it provides interface between hardware and software. Now what are the main functions of operating system? Main functions of operating systems are memory management, process management, device management, file management, security, control over system performance, job accounting, error detection aids, coordination between other users and software. These are the different functions of operating systems. Soon we will learn all the features of operating system one by one. Now soon I will be sharing some PowerPoint presentation with you where you will be able to see some kind of like diagrammatic representations of operating system. Soon we will see that. Now what we can do, we start learning the evolution of the operating system, how operating system evolved, what is the background of operating system, like that. Operating system have evolved from slow and expensive systems to present day technology where computing power has reached exponential speeds and relatively inexpensive cost. In the beginning, computers were manually loaded with program code to control computer functions and process code related to business logics. Now, in this way, the evolution of operating system is being done. Earlier, the speed of the operating system was very low. In the beginning, the computers were manually loaded with program code to control computer functions and process code related to business logic. This type of computing include problems with program scheduling and setup time. As more users demanded increased computer time and resources, computer scientists determined they needed to improve the system's conveniently, efficiency, and growth. As a result, they created an operating system to process job in batches. That is, they uses different techniques so that the working of operating system evolves. Also, an OS provides an interface between a user application and the computer. The purpose of an OS is to manage system resource, schedule processes, handle error conditions, and audit logging. Using an OS freed performers from writing code to handle machine functions, so they could concentrate on writing code for use applications. So in a way we can say that the operating system reduced the load of the programmer, because now the programmer can only concentrate on writing code and applications rather than keeping in mind the machine functions. But earlier the machine functions need to be taken care of. Now there are several types of processing which the operating system does. One is serial processing, another is batch processing. These types of batching soon we will learn in maybe in later classes. So we can say that earlier operating systems were not multi user operating system. They are used only for, or they are dedicated only for single users. Earlier OS used to be an expensive one, but nowadays, as compared to older days, operating system has become cheap.